thank you, Governor Hiro, in taking this brave and tremendously powerful step to ban the cruel, dangerous, and illegal dog meat trade in Jakarta.
Thank you, Jakarta government, for taking action to tackle the cruel dog meat trade in Jakarta.
For taking powerful steps to prohibit the horrific dog meat trade.
Terima kasih Pemprov DKI Jakarta
atas surat himbauan dan rencana peraturan daerah.
rencana perda pelarangan daging anjing.
Terima kasih Pak. Semoga Bapak cepat menangani pelarangan perdagangan anjing.
Thank you to Governor Hiro
for your great leadership and compassion.
Your actions send a very clear message. Dogs are not food.
Dogs are not food.
Dogs are not food.
I add my voice to the millions of others from around the world
In calls for a ban
Of the dog meat trade throughout Indonesia.
I support a dog meat-free Indonesia. Yay!
I support a dog meat-free Indonesia. Semangat terus, maju terus buat para kesayangan kita semua.
Dog meat-free Indonesia.